and today I am so excited to announce that I have finally started my Depop. So today is my announcement video. I have my Depop and I have 73 items to show you guys today that are all available on my Depop right now. And I also wanted to do my first little giveaway for you guys just to celebrate this Depop launch. So for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving one of you guys this blue Vans bandana. And it's really cute and I just love it. It has little like penny boards on it and it's pretty sick. So I wanted to give one of you guys this just to say thank you for watching my videos. And yeah, so all you have to do to enter to win this is just go to my Depop page, look through all the items, find your favorite item, come back to this video and comment the name of your favorite item from my Depop, and then leave your Instagram handle and follow me on Instagram so I can DM you if you won. And yeah, so I'm really excited. The giveaway will be open for 2 weeks, so I'm going to be choosing the winner at midnight. So make sure you enter by then. You have 2 weeks from today. And yeah! Alright, so now let's get to the whole haul of all of this stuff. You can't even really see the stuff on the bottom, but there's stuff on top and bottom and over here. Really, everything here is stuff that I would wear. I really wanted to create a Depop page where it's not just like random stuff. It's really like curated by me and it's stuff that I would wear, and if you want to shop style like me and stuff, you'll really be able to see a lot of the clothes on my Depop. I'm really also excited if you guys enter to see what you guys like, and then that way I can kind of like curate it to you as well and me. But yeah, so let's start. Hey guys, so I'm just editing this video and I thought I'd show you Maisie because she's so cute, but I realized I talk about every single item in this video, and if I'm gonna do that, it's gonna be way too long. So instead, I'm gonna talk about like some items, and then I'm gonna like just do music over some and just kind of show you. And if you want a better idea of like the items, they're all on my Depop, obviously, so you can go check them out. Just want to give you guys a heads up why like some of the pieces don't have any voices in them. But yeah, okay, let's just get on with it. So I have a bunch of Adidas and Nike logo t-shirts, which are super fun to wear. I love wearing it with biker shorts, also just with like jean shorts or jean like pants are really good. Even jogger pants for like kind of that athleisure look, you know what I mean? So I have quite a few here. And then some of these Nike t-shirts, it was really hard for me to choose. Like, okay, you gotta give them up, Lindsay. You gotta spread the love to your Depop, you know? This is one of my favorite Nike t-shirts ever. It's this really in great condition, like brand new Nike t-shirt. It says Los Angeles on it. I love this. Adam, my boyfriend, is like, oh, I wish it fit me because I would want it. I also have this really cool, I have quite a few Disney pieces in here, I have a few of them. This is like a marathon white long sleeve athletic wear shirt, and it's really sick. It has Donald Duck on it and a bunch of logos on the back, and I just thought it was really cool. In the middle here I have some other t-shirts that are a bit more like cropped and cute. I have this super cute Winnie the Pooh one. I love Winnie the Pooh. It's really hard for me to pass this one up to you guys, but I hope one of you gets this and enjoys it. I also have two Polo Ralph Lauren little t-shirts. This one's cropped. This one's actually a little girl's shirt, so it's really cute if you want like that tight look. Sometimes I like t-shirts like that. And then I also have this long Coca-Cola t-shirt, and it has Always Coca-Cola Brazil on it with a cool Coca-Cola car. And I actually bought this myself in Las Vegas at the Coca-Cola store, and I've only worn it like once, so this is a brand new item. I also know like cropped polo tees are in, so I have 3 of those. Now let's go to the tank tops because it's summertime. I love this one. It's like Spice Girls-esque kind of shirt. It's the pink London flag in a heart, and I just think that looks so cool with like jeans. It was so hard for me to pass this one up too, but I decided to spread the love. And then I don't know if you can see from here, but this is a sparkly, it's not too sparkly, just a slight shimmer blue tank. I love this. I think it's super cute. Another Disney item is this super cool oversized Mickey tank top. Really cute for the summer, even as like, you can use it as a bathing suit cover-up. You can use it like for the beach. You can tuck it into jeans for that little cute look, especially the shorts or pants. Yeah, I also have some other items that are just kind of like their own thing. So I love this two-piece cardigan and tank top set. I think that it would look really cute cropped or tucked in. If you like, tuck it into your bra, and then you could also leave it long for like school or work. I just think this is super cute, super like Y2K. I just think this would look so cool with like jeans, you know, to like make it like this and then with the jeans, you know, I like it. So yeah, this is a Ralph Lauren, not Polo, but Ralph Lauren striped button-up. I have two mesh shirts. I also have this really cute cropped t-shirt blouse. It's black with white polka dots. I love this. Alright, so I have some cool things over here. This is one more Disney thing. This is awesome jean shirt. It has Mickey, Goofy, and Minnie on it. It's so sweet. It's vintage. It's from Disney. It says Mickey on the tag. I have this amazing Kodak bomber jacket. I love this, honestly. I just think it looks so cool, and I just love it. This is another thing I really love that you would have saw in one of my thrift hauls, and it's just this red and black racer, biker, kind of sweater, zip up kind of thing. It's really good in the summer because it's not too heavy, just to throw over. Alright, now let's go to the sweaters, which is like all I wear in the winter and at night, every day and all the time. So we have two hung here. Time to bring in this box. Alright, so for more sweaters we have this cropped Polo. Really love this quarter zip. I cropped it. This is one of my favorite sweaters ever. It's really hard for me to give this up, but it's time to pass it on, and it's this red. It's United Colors of Benetton is the brand, but it looks super Tommy, which is one of the things I love about it. So it's so cozy, oversized, it looks great, and I love this sweater. I have a couple more t-shirts. I have this Durant band tee. I love this t-shirt. It looks super good with a turtleneck under it. I love this Tommy sweater. I got this in a recent thrift haul. You might have seen it. Hard for me to give up, but I think that one of you guys will really love it. It has Tommy Hilfiger right here. I cropped it, and I just love this. It's so good. I have some jeans for you guys. I have two pairs of the Topshop mom jean style fit. These are the lighter wash with the rip in the knee. I love these pants so much. I also have the same style in just blue jean, classic, good style, good fit. I have these Guess overalls that are amazing. It has the Guess on the bum. I also have these Nike shorts that I just think would look so cute, even with one of the little pink tank tops. Okay, then I have a couple more things over here. I have this G by Guess corset top. I love this. The only problem is it's just a slight too small for me, that's why I have to pass it up, but super, super cute. You can see it does up in the back with these. It's really cool, it has the bow. So cute with jeans. I really wish that this fit me. It would just look so good for going out or anything like that, a little fancier. I'm also selling this Nike bucket hat. I love, love, love this hat. For a few more accessories, I have these really cute blue round metal sunglasses. Awesome. I also have this Calvin Klein jean clutch with the red little leather bag. It's so cute. It's even brand new. It still has this in it, the little authenticity card. So that's very nice. I have these awesome, awesome Velour Fila sweatpants. These are so, so cozy, so soft. It'd be super great for studying, for going out, wearing a little crop top with sneakers. Look great. I have these. You might have seen these. They are Doc Martens size 6. So if you're size 6, go over and buy them right now. These are awesome. I love Docs. If these were my size, I would have kept them. Super great. And finally, I have a few scarves here. I have this silky bandana one, these two like almost Versace inspired pattern ones, a more blue one and a more red one. And that is that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed these items. I'm really excited to see what you guys like so I can start shopping a little bit more for you guys as well. And yeah, so that's the end of the video. Head over to my Depop, find your favorite item, and definitely comment in so you have a chance to win. I really want one of you guys to win this giveaway. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I can't wait to see what you guys like. See you later!